Calaquachero, Calaquachera, here we are again in Lille, France, but this time with Ate Ems. So come and join us, we will go around here in Lille, France. This is their music opera here in Lille, France, and the Villefranche over there, and also the Carton Hotel. Yes, over there.
Ayan ang station.
That's the station of Lille. And here is the Villefranche.
I call everything Belfry. Huh?
Yeah. Can we go? This is the Hotel Carlton. Remember, we eat there.
We eat here, yeah. Now we're going to eat there. The very beautiful square. I think we go first. We go to the train station. Because it's very important.
The bread. Vamos. Daming tao.
The station, here is the station. Lille, the train station. Look at this. And here they have also the Pokeballs.
Ordering here. We are at Pukawa. We need to order first. Look. Then after we need to choose. We are here by the train station here in Lille. Look at that. Oh, you see? And this time we are eating Pokeball. Pokeball kami ngayon. Ayan na si Ate Ems nag-iintay. Fresh everyday. Pukawa.
Waiting for our food.
And which is what? Teriyaki is not there yet,
Yeah.
huh? Teriyaki is coming?
The second coming.
Okay.
Yummy.
It's from there.
I don't know how
This is the Smart.
Smart, yes, okay.
Yeah. And teriyaki hot and teriyaki hot.
Yummy, yummy Pokeball food. Look, with rice. Kaya solve ang tummy. We eat with rice and yummy Pokeball. Here by the train station. Ayan, Ate Ems, ang mga train. Sakay ka na. O, isasakay ka na namin dyan. But hindi niya alam kung saan pupunta. Kaya labas na lang kami at maglakwatsa dito by the square. So this is the square at night, diba? Kita nyo before and after. Ngayon, ang ganda niya na, oh, with light. Pumasok tayo, wala maliwanag pa now, maingay.
I don't have it in on. I forget to on the first video. So this is Hotel Carlton in the night. Look, hall for the bakery. Look, the belfry, nice with light. Then going back to the square. Beautiful square. Here is like the library. Here's the square. Go to the square. Look.
And here is the other square. Look, beautiful.
Best place, huh?
The statue. Here is the square.
Ang ganda din sa square na to, especially in the night. Ganda naman mag-ilaw na.
3.
But sometimes, actually, this is purple light. Mas maganda kung purple. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda dito. This is my favorite square than the other one. Ang ganda, diba? Cute-cute niya. Cute ang ilaw. Ayan, ganda ng mga buildings dito. With light.
Ano?
Ayan, ate, picture
Tata.
tayo. Picture tayo dito. After picture, uwian na kami at ginabi na kami. So, bye for now, Lil. So, babalik na kami sa Netherlands, Belgium, then after
Yes, train
Netherlands.
station.
So, ayan.
Sorry, we could have come by car.
Ng Lil France. That's the train station. Cabo Lil.
Gare de Lille, Flandres.
Lapit na kami ng
Still a little bit. I think the old people still talk Dutch here.
Yeah?
Yeah. Younger people not anymore.
So here's the train station. To the right. Oh, be careful with the lady.
In 450 meters. Break those legs, huh?
We're going out of field. This is the station. Be careful,
Yeah. Serena.
just in case, you know.
Yeah. Just in case. I know what you mean. But they also have to wait.
At the next